Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Wells Fargo online transfers for deductibles step by step clearly. To install Wells Fargo online transfers for deductibles, start by visiting the Wells Fargo website. Log into your Wells Fargo online banking account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Transfer and Pay section. Select Transfer Money from the drop-down menu. Choose the account from which you want to make the transfer. Next, select the account where you want the funds to be transferred. Enter the amount you wish to transfer for deductibles. Review the transfer details for accuracy. Customize the transfer date if you prefer a future date. Add any necessary memo or notes related to the transfer, if desired. Review all information again to ensure it is correct. Once confirmed, click on the Continue button. You will see a summary of your transfer details. Click on Submit to complete the transfer process. You will receive a confirmation message indicating your transfer is in process. Log out of your Wells Fargo account securely. Your setup for online transfers for deductibles is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.